நிறைய குருக்கள் இப்போது எங்களிடம் இணைந்து கொண்டிருக்கின்றார்கள் நல்வழி பாதையில் செல்வதற்காக. அப்படி இணைகின்ற குருக்கள் எப்படிப்பட்டவர்களால் இருந்தால் இவர்கள் ஜாதி மதத்திற்கு அப்பாற்பட்டவர்களாக இருக்கின்றார்கள். இந்த உலகத்தை காப்பாற்ற வேண்டும், இந்த மக்களை காப்பாற்ற வேண்டும், இந்த நாடை காப்பாற்ற வேண்டும் என்ற முழு முயற்சியிலும் ஈடுபடக்கூடிய குருக்கள் தான் எங்களோடு இணைந்து கொண்டிருக்கின்றார்கள். அப்படி இணைகின்ற குருக்களில் நான் மிக முக்கியமாக கருதுகின்றேன் ஃபாதர் ஃபெலிக்ஸ் அலெக்சாண்டர் அவர்களை. அவர்கள் எப்படிப்பட்டவர் என்றால் மிக சீரிய சிந்தனைவாதி என்று சொல்லலாம், மிக சீரிய முற்போக்கு பார்வையுடையவர்கள் என்று சொல்லலாம். இப்படிப்பட்ட குரு எனக்கு கிடைத்தது நான் மிக பெருமையாக கருதுகின்றேன். இன்று அவர் கொட்டில்பாடு என்ற ஊரில் நாங்கள் இந்த பயிற்சியை வழங்கி கொண்டிருக்கின்றோம். அவருடைய அனுபவங்களையும் அவர் என்ன சொல்கின்றார் என்ற வார்த்தைகளை கேட்கும்போது எனக்கே ஆச்சரியமாக தோன்றுகிறது. ஏனென்றால் எது உண்மை எது பொய் என்பதை அவர் நிரூபித்து கண்டுபிடித்திருக்கின்றார். அந்த கண்டுபிடிப்பின் பலனாக அவர் பேசுகின்ற பேச்சுகளையும் நாம் இப்போது இதோடு இணைத்துள்ளோம். எப்படி அவர் பேசுகிறார் என்றும் பார்க்கலாம்.
Jai Gurudev. Today the modern world has got all the facilities and technologies, but what it lacks is the peace. All the technologies and the achievements, facilities available should be able to provide peace to people. That is our ultimate aim. Unfortunately, that is missing. Today people look for peace in the external world. People go to different places of worship like pilgrim centers. They look for peace. Or people sometimes they get addicted to different practices like alcoholism, drugs and so on. They think that peace can come from outside. But Art of Living seems to be saying that peace is nowhere in the outside but within you. Peace is in you. That is able to be discovered by the very Art of Living seems to be instructing it very, very strongly. That peace could be attained when you are able to make use of your breath in a more effective way. When you are able to make use of your breath in a powerful way, you can energize your body. Not only that, you can also energize your mind. I am the parish priest in a Catholic church called Kottilpadu. This is in Kanyakumari district. It's a coastal parish. This parish has been devastated by tsunami in 2004. Past 2 weeks, we have conducted this Art of Living in our parish. Most of the uneducated people attended. In our parish, these people were mostly affected by tsunami. The after effect of tsunami is still in them. They have a lot of fear, lot of anger, lot of kind of mental disability in them, anxiety, tension, everything is there. So far, proper counseling has not been given. So deep within, they have a lot of hurt feelings, and they haven't accepted the death of their dear ones. So in this parish, these people were really looking for peace. This parish also known as one of the most complicated parishes, complicated villages in Kanyakumari district. This is one of the, always there will be infight. There are two groups. They both are packed up by political parties. So always there will be murder, a lot of cases in the court and so on. And after 2 weeks of Art of Training, today I've been with them. The participants, the way they shared how this training has transformed their life, it's really amazing. Amazing to see how it has changed their mind and body. most of them have been relieved from their mental stress, their anxiety, the fear that were inside, and most of them have been also relieved from physical sicknesses, like those whoever had body pain or breathing problems. They all were sharing very spontaneously that they all felt healed. Today at this junction, I'm really happy, and I want to thank Guruji, Ravi Shankar ji, for able to provide such a powerful mechanism for the world which is looking for peace. I also thank the holy instrument we had, Mr. Sylvester, a powerful teacher who can be able to guide a group so efficiently. When I see the discipline in these fisher folk, especially among women, I'm really amazed. They were able to sit in a proper position. They were able to come at proper time. And all this, which I am not able to imagine at all. Such a big transformation within these 2 weeks. I'm really grateful to Mr. Sylvester. I also gratefully thank Mr. Kamaraj, being a postgraduate teacher, such a simple person who was leading the group, who was also showing the different positions and asanas. I thank him very specially. Today, our women are able to experience this peace only because of art of living. We want to give the same training to the men folk. I am sure the participants, the women folk, they have assured that they will bring their husbands for this program. Normally every year in the month of July, the fisher folk don't go for fishing, especially deep fishing. They have promised that in the month of July, we will bring our men, and this training should be given to them. Once again, I take this opportunity. I thank with pride that thank you so much, Guruji and the others, that today the people of Kottilpadu are able to experience peace. Thank you so much, and God bless. Jai Gurudev.